Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami, microbiologist. Today in this video lecture we are going to see the bacterial nutrition, the MCQs related to the bacterial nutrition, which is actually our fifth chapter. Now in the previous videos lectures, if you guys remember, we talked about fourth chapter of the microbiology, means fourth chapter of the microbiology related their MCQs. If you missed this, so it is present into my channel, or there will be a link in the description. You can check out this. Now today in this video we are going to see the chapter number 5 MCQs. So let's start. So the first MCQs of the bacterial nutrition of the fifth chapter says that the main product of the glycolysis under aerobic condition is, so pyruvate is the main product, is the correct option. The protein moiety of enzyme is known as, so for this the correct option is apoenzyme. B is the correct option. Yeast extract is an excellent source of what? It is actually the excellent source of vitamin B. C is the correct option. Example of the anaerobic medium. So for anaerobic medium, the best example is Robertson cooked meat medium. C is the correct option. Fifth MCQ says that biological oxygen demand is a measured of what? So it is actually the measure of industrial waste poured into water bodies. A is the correct option. MCQs number 6 says that an enzyme competitive inhibition of an enzyme is the inhibition of what? It is actually the succinic dehydrogenase by malonic acid. So A is the correct option. 7 number MCQ says that the following organisms have been proposed as source of a single cell protein. What is this? So remember, the correct option for this actually is bacteria algae. So the correct option is D, all of these, all of the three. Then we have 8 MCQs that says that nitrates are oxidized to nitrite by a microorganism. So that type of bacteria is mostly called as nitrobacter. C is the correct option. So don't be confused. C is the correct option. Then the major constituent in agar. So the most important constituent in agar is actually the polysaccharide. C is the correct option. MCQs number 10 says that match the following expression with their respective bacteria A to E. Okay, now these are the formula as you can see, so we will match it with the correct option. So the first formula is the K constant, which is log A. So for this, so this is actually the formula of Watson expression, means B is the correct option. Okay, for A. Now K is equal to C and T. This is actually the formula of C is the correct option, concentration of bactericide. Then K1 K2 is equal to QT2 minus T1. This is actually the formula of temperature effect. A is the correct option. MCQ then fourth formula says that X2 is equal to 4D plus 1 and this is actually ln MC divided by M. So this is actually the Fick's law. So that's all about the MCQs of the chapter number 5. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.